Hey guys, I'm back again with another haul video, and it's the Nykaa haul video. So as we all know that Nykaa is our go-to stop for makeup related stuff. Although we get makeup stuff from Myntra and Amazon as well, but I don't believe Amazon for its screen products and makeup products because I have got cheated on a lot of time. What I do, I read the barcode with the app which is called the barcode scanner app, and if the product appears on that app as the product itself, then it's the original one, otherwise it's not. So I did it with a lot of Amazon products and it didn't appear there. It said no products found, or fake product alert, something like that it says. There are many apps like that. So after that I stopped shopping face products and makeup products from Amazon, and yeah, Nykaa is somewhere where we get genuine products, and they have some discount and offers going on. So Nykaa doesn't have a lot of discounts going on, but they have offers with them, which is like if you buy a product, MAC product or Bobbi Brown product worth rupees 3000, you get a product free with it. Like you get a mini cream or a mini lip gloss free with it. So yeah, I shopped a lot from Nykaa, and I'm gonna show you one by one what I got. First thing that I got is this Nykaa primer, Prep Me Up primer. uh, okay, I have used a lot of primer from Bobbi Brown to MAC, but I think that this one has suited me the most because it didn't break me out. All the products of the primer of MAC and Bobbi Brown and all those high-end products, they have broke me out terribly, and primers always break me out because they have silicone in it, so you shouldn't use it much. I thought that I would try this one because I read so many reviews about it, so I thought I would try this, and it looks like this, such a pretty packing. And I got this for around 500 something rupees, and trust me guys, it didn't break me out. I have used it 5 to 6 times, and it's just very smooth texture, and you can use it underneath your foundation, and it is the perfect primer you can get. It didn't break me out, and it has a little bit of that moisturizing effect in it, which I liked the most. So yeah, it's a 5 on 5 product for me because it didn't break me out, and I have a very sensitive skin. The next product I got is this Color Bar Zoom and Whoosh mascara. So I got this mascara wholly and solely because of its name, because Zoom and Whoosh sound really nice to me. And then I got this product and I liked it. It's not that much, it's not that amazing or that but it yeah, does the work. It doesn't lengthen your eyelashes, it just adds the thickness. So if you're looking for a mascara which adds thickness to your eyelashes, then you can go for it. Otherwise it's not that good. I will give, I think 3 out of 5 to this. Then I got a perfume. So I wanted a perfume for very long because nothing stays on me for long, no perfume. So I thought that I'll just try this one because I saw it in a lot of people's what's in my bag, and also I heard a lot of good reviews about it. So I got this one. It was on a discount, and I got this for 600 something rupees. The actual price is 795. I got this for 650 something like that, but it's a very sweet fragrance. I want to say it's not woody, it's not floral, it's sweet. So if you want a sweet fragrant perfume, then you can go for it. The longevity I cannot say because nothing stays on me, and this is no different. It didn't stay on me, but yeah, it's good. The smell is really good. Then I got nail paint, the one I'm wearing right now. Oh my god. Yeah, this is another one. This one I'm wearing right now, and it is this Nykaa Nail Animal, and it is in the shade, I don't know, Sweet Cherry Blossom. Yeah, Sweet Cherry Blossom is this shade, and it is a very nudish pink color, which will go with any of your outfits, like any of your pastel outfit. It will go amazingly, and you can get this, and they have a lot of color option in this range. And I got this for I think 100 or 120, something like that. Then I got a Bobbi Brown compact. worth rupees I think 4,900, which is not with me right now. It is in my bag, and my bag is, I don't know where it is. And with that I got this Bobbi Brown hydrating cream. Yeah, it is 24 ml, and just as I said that they have offers going on. If you buy worth this, they give you free gifts. And I also got a lip gloss of Bobbi Brown with this, which was I think 5 ml or something, which was very less. But yeah, this hydrating cream is really nice. I have applied it under my makeup many times, and it is really amazing. The hydration is amazing, and I'm thinking of buying a bigger one of this one. The compact I'll show you next time. So this is a gift, the free gift. Then I got this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I have used it so many times, like every time I go out I use this. That's why it has gone so dirty. So it is the contouring and it is the highlighting one. It suits really well to my skin, both of this, and I really like this product. This is for I think 400 or 500, something like that. So it's a 5 on 5 for me. Then I got a concealer. This is the Wet n Wild concealer and corrector. So I've been using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer for a long time, and then I thought that I should change it to something else, because you shouldn't use the same cream or same foundation or same product for a very long time, because it will then stop showing effect on you. You should keep on changing your creams if you don't have sensitive skin. Otherwise, just stick to one product, that's best. So I got this one, and I read a lot of good reviews about it on YouTube, and that's why I got it, and it is good. It does the work, like it corrects your face. It does conceal the forehead area of mine, which is very disturbing because I have a lot of acne marks there. So it covers it very nicely, but it is drying, and I have a very dry skin. So if you have a dry skin also, then you better not go for this one. Otherwise, the correcting part and the concealing part is good about this, and I'll give you this I think 3.5. 1.5 marks cut because it's drying. Then I got this brush. This is from Vega, I guess. Yeah, it is a foundation brush, the normal foundation brush. I wanted something like this, and I got it for 150, something like that. It's good. The bristles are nice, soft, and yeah, it does the work. Yeah, 4.5 for this bristles. I don't know how longevity of this brush, but yeah, till now it has been good. Then I got the most favorite product of mine. This is the Nykaa Stroke and Glow. So I love this product. I mean, I've never used a liquid highlighter before, but when I used it, it was so good. First I didn't know how to use it. I was just taking it out and then doing like this, and I was like, why is it not coming out? Then I got to know that it has a pump, like a serum like this, and you have to just push it and the droplets come out like this, and it's really nice. The pigmentation is really amazing, and the color is then the next thing I got is this MAC classic MAC lipstick. So I am not a lipstick product. I don't use lipstick a lot. I'm more of a lip gloss and a lip tint kind of a product. But I saw this everywhere. People were raving about it, so I thought I'll just get the mini version. So I got the mini MAC, and it's in the shade Meher, the classic one that everybody uses, I guess, and it's a very pretty nudish pink shade which I'm wearing right now. It's really nice. The shade is just perfect for me, not that bright, and yeah, I just loved it. I got it for I think 1,050 or something like that. It's the mini one. The larger one is I think for 2,000. My cat is just coming to me like as if he has seen a ghost or something, but he's just curious about what I'm showing, I guess. And yeah, I think that's it. I think I showed you everything. Just the Bobbi Brown compact is left, that I'll show next time. And this is the Nykaa beauty haul review, and I'll see you next time with another haul video or any kind of video. Till then, bye, and subscribe.